First, unpack. Be careful not to scratch the cabinet. We pack the door and the frame separately. Place the door and the frame below. Put the side panels next to them. And start nailing to fix them. After fixing the side panels, put the bottom panel in and fix it with iron forks. Snap the back panel on and fix it with nails.
In school you study English?
Yeah, a little bit.
Finally, it's done. The installation of the first truckload is successful. Looking forward to assembling more products in the future and sharing them with everyone.